Today I'm working on the rear suspension on a Volkswagen GTI Mark 6. Same setup as on a Mark 5. I'm here in Michigan, so they use a lot of road salt, and this car hasn't been protected really in any way. As you can see, it's very rusty. Has quite a bit of miles on it. Customer supplied me with a lot of parts. A new rear sway bar, shocks, springs, lower control arms. And I'm just showing you a quick, pretty common problem I run up against when I'm trying to work on the rear suspension on one of these around here. These adjustment bolts for the lower control arms completely seize into the bushing, so there's really no way you're going to get this apart. And you don't really want to apply heat to it because just the way it's set up with the subframe in place, with vapor lines up here for the evap system and things like that. So you're better off just cutting the bolts out. So what I typically do is I get a sawzall like this with a good blade, and from underneath very carefully cut right there, and then right there, and then I drop it out, replace obviously the bolts, the hardware, the control arms, and put it back together like that. That's the quickest, easiest way to go about doing that. The rear control arm, the rear sway bar, as you can see here, there's nuts that are typically welded here. You can see where the spot welds were on the back side to hold the rear sway bar on. Well, those were in such rough condition, I pretty much had to end up just air chiseling these back nuts free. And I'm just going to use a flange nut back here to replace it. So that's how I went about doing that. I ended up having to just, air chisel those, then hold, it's a square nut. So you just hold that with a 16mm wrench, and then get the other side loose. But yeah, so typical Michigan problems. That's it. Thanks for watching.